Okay, here's our examples we're working today. Here's example 1. Frank lost his credit card in a local mall. Oh no. He notified his creditor before the card was used. That's important. However, later in the day, someone found the card and charged $700 worth of hockey equipment on it. How much is Frank responsible for paying?
None.
That's correct. Because he notified that it was lost before the charges, he owes nothing. What if he didn't notify before it was lost? What's the max he could have paid? It's 50. Right? We learned that yesterday. So in this case, he's good to go. Doesn't owe anything. Stolen. She didn't realize it for days, at which point she notified her creditor. During that time, someone charged $2,000. How much is Carrie responsible for paying? $50. $50. Because credit card companies issue a monthly statement, APR, which stands for annual. You guys know annual means yearly, right? Once a year is annual. The annual percentage rate must be converted to a monthly periodic rate. If the APR is 21.6%, what is the monthly finance charge? So the 21.6% is what they're charging for the year. So if they're dividing that evenly every month, we could do the 21.6% divided by 12, because there's 12 months in a year. If you do this division, looks like you get 1.8. So how much is being charged every month? 1.8%. Which means if I owe $100 on my credit card and I don't pay it, the next month I will owe $101.80. Right? It went up by 1.8%. Okay, so this one here, this was a new idea to me, so I had to read to try to make sure I understood what they were talking about. They're calling it the average daily balance. It's the average of the amount you owed every day during the billing period. It changes as purchases and payments are made to the credit card. So Rebecca did not pay last month's credit card bill in full. Below is a list of Rebecca's daily balances for her last billing cycle. So for the first 7 days of the cycle, she still owed $456.11. Then for the next 3 days, she owed $1,177.60. So she charged something to the account, made her amount she owed go up. Then she paid some of it off. So for 6 days, she owed $990.08. And then after that, she put another purchase on there, and for 9 days, she owed $2,115.15. Then she bought something else, and for the last 5 days, she owed $2,309.13. We want to find Rebecca's average daily balance. So here's how you do that. We can see how many days are there total in this billing cycle. We can add up all the days to figure out how many days there were. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. Plus 9 is 25. Plus 5 is 30. So this is 30 days. And so I need to figure out the total amount she owed. We could find that by adding up each day individually. So you could think about it. For the first 7 days, don't write this down, but you could do 456.11 plus 456.11 plus 456.11 plus 456.11 plus 456.11 plus 456.11 plus 456.11. That represents the amount she owed for the first 7 days. So what's another way we could write that instead of adding it 7 times? multiply it by 7. So if she owed $456.11 for 7 days, we could multiply those together. And then the next 3 days, she owed $1,177.60 for 3 days. And then we want to add that to $990.08 for 6 days. And then we want to add that to $2,115.15 for 9 days. And then we want to add that to $2,309.13 for 5 days. So that's quite a lot you have to type in to your calculator. Once you type all that in, you can do it all at once. The number you should get is $43,248.05. So that's the total amount she owed for each day in the billing cycle. So to find the average amount she owed for any one day, we could divide this number by 30 because there were 30 days in the billing cycle. If you do that, if you divide by 30, you get $1,441.60. It says Rebecca pays a finance charge on her average daily balance of $1,441.60, which is what we just found. Her APR is 18%. What is her finance charge for this billing cycle? So here's the formula you're going to use to find the finance charge. You take the monthly rate. That's what we found in example 2. So if she owes 18% for the year, what's her rate for the month? How could we find her rate for the month? Uh-oh. We don't remember example 2? Look back if you need to. In example 2, there was a 21.6% charge, and we wanted to find what was that every month. So we did 21.6 divided by 12. So here it's an 18% charge. So we would do 18% divided by 12. If you do that, you get, so her monthly rate is 1.5%. Divided by 100 times, what was her average daily balance? That's what we found in example 3. It's $1,441.60. And you have to type that in, 1.5 over 100 times that amount, and we would get $21.61. That's her finance charge.